Hello, friends. Welcome to the world of technology. I thought this is the right medium to reach out to you. Although we are meeting on Classroom app and other ways, but I thought let me talk face to face with you. This is a scheduled video, but next time I'll so that you can interact with me. Today I'm going to take up the poem, The Voice of the Rain. Yesterday, I have sent you the notes and explanation, and I hope that you have gone through that and you have understood that it is about water cycle, a simple water cycle, but in a very beautiful way. I'll explain to you the poem, and then we'll take up the poetic devices. In between, we'll take up the word meanings as well. Now, the poem starts. The poet addresses the soft falling shower. What is this soft falling shower? It is the rain. So the poet addresses the rain and asks, "Who are you?" He is very much surprised because the rain responds. Now the rain cannot respond, rain cannot talk. But here the rain responds, and so the poetic device becomes personification. The rain calls itself as the poem of the earth. It introduces itself as the poem of the earth. How? That we will see in the end. The rain continues. It tells about its journey. The rain says, "I start from the earth and the bottomless sea. And how I start, how I rise up in the form of vapors. Vapors which can't be touched. It rises from the earth and the bottomless sea in the form of vapors which are impalpable. They reach the sky and clouds are formed. Now, clouds don't have any proper shape, any definite shape. Therefore, the word vaguely is used, vaguely shaped clouds. So the rain keeps on changing its form, but the spirit remains the same. So it rises in the form of vapors, assumes the shape of clouds, then falls down in the form of raindrops. The rain continues and describes its three functions. Number one function, to water the dry land, to provide water to the dry land. Number two, to settle down the atomies, the dust particles, the dirt in the atmosphere. That means to clean up the atmosphere. And number three, to help seeds to germinate. Without rain, the life in the seeds would remain latent, hidden. But when rain falls, this life comes out and germination takes place. In the end, the rain talks about the comparison between the rain poem. You remember the rain told, "I am the poem of the earth." So just as the poem is written by the poet, enjoyed by everyone in various forms, but it belongs to the poet only. In the same way, the rain, it originates from the earth, assumes various forms, but it belongs to the earth only. So that is the comparison between the rain and the poem. Now here the poetic devices which are used in the poem. Number one, the rain responds, that is personification. Second, the rain introduces itself as the poem of the earth, that is metaphor. The rain says, "I rise from the bottomless sea," that is hyperbole, exaggeration. So these are the typical poetic devices, and I have sent you that PDF file which you go through. Then there are some word meanings also. As I told you, impalpable, which cannot be touched. So that is one very good word used. Then I lave the draughts. Lave, to wash away, to provide water. Drought, dry land. I settle up the atomies. Atomies are the dirt, the dust particles. So the poem is extremely simple, and therefore I really thought that this is the best way to, and I'll ensure that we will be having more such sessions where we can interact live with each other. We can have interactive sessions as well, and I hope you are benefited. So be with me, be in touch with me, and thank you so much. Thank you.